My name is Kojo Asiedu, and I'm here to make a presentation on chemical roadway spills. I'm in the Global Environmental Health class. This for spring 2018. Table of content for this presentation. We are going to learn about the purpose of this study, where we will learn about spills, incidents of spills in the United States, hazard classification of spills, county incidents of spills, finally the summary, and I'll put in the references. The purpose of this presentation is to define chemical roadway spills, briefly classify it, identify its various categories, and elaborate its incident numbers in the United States of America and New York State. Chemical roadway spills the accidental release of petroleum, toxic gases, and their hazardous materials. Environmental damage from such releases depends on the material spilled and the extent of the contamination. Vapors from spilled materials can collect in houses and businesses, creating fire and explosion hazards. Uncontained spills, especially those that impact surface water, can kill or injure plants, fish, and wild animals. The type of spills that we have the hazardous substances. Those are the materials that are released into the atmosphere and can cause harm to the body. Then we have fluids from vehicles. Different type of fluid from vehicles include radiator coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid, ethanol, propane, battery acid, fuel leaks, and windshield water fluid. The spill hazard classification between 2002 and 2007, we have miscellaneous hazard, 5% of it, corrosive materials having 34% of it, flammables having the highest, that's 52%, poisonous material 6%, and oxidizers with the lowest of 3%. This is the incident by Department of Transportation hazard classification in numbers from 2002 to 2007, with flammable combustible liquid being the highest with 6,315 in the year 2015. In the year 2007, and miscellaneous hazard with the lowest of 605. Spills by county from April 2017 to April 2018, that's for the last year. Westchester County had the highest with 1305, Suffolk County had 1056, Nassau County had 772, Queens had 509, and Bronx had 234. Summary: accidental release of petroleum, toxic chemicals, and other materials occur frequently throughout the United States and every part of the world. Every year, about 16,000 reports of confirmed and suspected releases of this is reported by the New York Department of Environmental Conservation. The U.S. Department of Transportation has issued a report and document practice for hazardous material traffic incidents, and the New York Department of Environmental Conservation has provided a website where you can report spills. Thank you. This is the summary of my work. Thank you. My name is Kojo Asiedu.